The 2021 Hennessey Venom F5 is America's carbon fiber bullet aimed squarely at the heart of hypercar royalty like Bugatti and Koenigsegg. Packing a twin-turbocharged 6.6-liter V8 dubbed Fury that churns out a brain-melting 1,817 horsepower, this rear-wheel drive rocket aspires to shatter the 300-mile-per-hour barrier, and then some, with a theoretical top speed of 311. Named after the ferocious F5 Tornado, it's as light as it is lethal, weighing in at under 3,000 lbs thanks to its featherweight monocoque chassis. The interior is pure business, stripping distractions down to a minimalist cockpit where leather meets carbon fiber, and every control whispers, "Hang on tight." Limited to 24 handcrafted units at a cool $2.1 million each, the F5 is a declaration that speed, like art, knows no limits. It's blisteringly fast and unashamedly Texan. Who else would name an engine Fury and build a car to scare sound barriers?